Here's how I save a ton of money on Coinbase fees right here. What I'm about to show is how most of you buy crypto on Coinbase. You're just in a regular interface, you pick a crypto and you hit buy. And then what happens, you get scraped on fees. So watch how much difference this is. So right now, if I take $500 and I go to buy ICP and I click on review order, what you'll notice is I'm receiving and I'm paying $9.20 plus a dollar spread on this trade, which is ridiculous. So what we're going to do instead is you're going to go, this is on the desktop, but it also is available on the mobile. You're going to turn advanced on in Coinbase. So you're going to click turn advanced on. Now you're back to the same price chart. Now watch this. So you go over here and remember we were going to get 197 ICP before, right? Now we're going to go to the upper right, limit order, pay with USD, and just put in whatever the mid is, whatever the mid range is, slide over all the way here to 100% and click post only. Post only. Now that means you're gonna have to wait for somebody else to post an order. So this can take a little bit sometimes. So look how much ICP though. I'm now going to get 201.8, almost 202. And you do have to put the price. So if this, sometimes you have to go back and click mid on it. If the price adjusts and then drag it over, make sure it's 100%. Then you click on buy ICP. Now you'll notice my order went up over here and it's right here up at the top. And then as soon as somebody actually goes to buy ICP for the same price, then my order will fill. This will take a bit longer, but you'll notice I just got an extra almost 5 ICP, 4 or 5 ICP, if depending, it says 201 right here, and it looks like there's still 1 cent in my wallet. But that's like 5 extra ICP. That's a big deal. That is an extra couple percent, especially if you consider that the price could go up. Now, here's the next way you can save a ton of money. You'll see my order already filled now. So I've got the ICP is now in my wallet. And if I go to sell, you'll see I've got 201.95. And that's a lot better than 197. But the next main way to save on fees is to really think about which cryptos you're buying. Because most of you don't put enough time and energy into thinking, is this crypto really something that's going to hold the test of time? You don't really do your own research buying cryptos, and therefore you buy a bunch of stuff that you don't end up needing. You then end up selling it. So if you buy something and then sell it, you've just paid fees twice. And the better scenario there to save on fees is just to not have bought it at all and do your own research first. So I show you how I do my own research. I have this Jerry Banfield crypto reviews channel. And what I'm showing on these videos going forward is how I do my own research in real time. The questions I ask and exactly how I look deeper beyond just the surface level. And then to simplify it all, because you're like, okay, there's 1,000 crypto coins. Which one's the best? ICP is the best. I've researched thousands of altcoins. And to me, the only crypto I buy anymore is Internet Computer Protocol, because it's the only crypto to me that has true substance, real technology, and is intentionally suppressed because of that. So if you really want to save on your Coinbase fees, start doing some serious research about each coin you buy before you buy it. Never impulse buy. Never just see a video about something and buy it immediately, including ICP. You should look at things deep before you even make that first purchase order. Then it's important to actually take your funds off of the exchange altogether so you really have control of them. Not financial advice. I have 6,500. Well, now I got 6,700 ICP. Thanks for watching this. And if you want more, subscribe to Jerry Banfield ICP and Jerry Banfield Crypto Reviews. And schedule a call on jerrybanfield.com.